Hey yo, what's up? We're back again, tribalteenspodcast hosted by me, Tate Masweta. You all not know me right now, but you know me in the future. You know me. Today I have Elena slash modeler, and I'd like to know more about that. Her name is Tebo. You might not know her at the beginning of the video, but you'll know her at the end of the video. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine. Are you good?
Yes.
Emotionally good?
Yes.
How are the exams treating you?
They are going good.
Very good.
Yes.
How was your last paper?
Good.
Today was our last paper, guys. It has been treating you good, no?
Yes.
So now I'd like to know you better.
Okay.
Where were you raised? Where were you born? Senomara, yeah, things like that.
Okay. My name is Malatji. I was raised in Limpopo. So I'm from Limpopo to Gauteng. And I go to second
Yeah.
This
For corrections.
Mara, Dataka, Hakidule.
Yeah.
Yes,
Would you see present in your one about it?
yes.
So, which one will you learn?
Who right? Because the relatives we can feel like Tibana, Hannah to a carrying out tea, Mara out to a Limpopo, Utlamu, Paswara Savatiba, Baba,
So, like, are you proud baby?
yes.
Was paid?
Yes.
Right. No, that's nice. So, getting into what you about dealing on, how you go for that?
Pass. Pass.
Past. It's okay. You came to Johannesburg in
But 2018.
2018.
Yes.
No, attend the primary alcohol.
Yes. Makata Masikita grade 4. Yes.
Kamu primary in
Sukeng Primary School.
primary school. So now you are currently staying in Johannesburg.
Yes.
You studied at school. You furthered your studies at Alafang.
Yes.
So Alafang was the idea of very good Alafang.
No.
No.
Yes.
No what's that?
Now we are kind of technical or
Okay.
yes.
Alright. So Scotland on the service.
Mm.
Yeah. No matter how you go Pomona, technical.
Mm.
So it's how fit Alafang, your new day. How was life?
You'll be too because one of us and you Leo.
Yeah.
The other school is the same.
How was it? How was it?
Really happy. Mara after lunch, Kabona more.
Let's get into it. What? Only in.
First day, very nice. The second day, Kabona Batwaya, Bamazangoma, Batwa Kimoya. They want to teach like an older, how to believe in Tejwano.
So you are Christian?
Yes.
You don't believe in ancestors?
Yes.
Okay. You don't believe in it? So, hey man, I feel like grade 8 in a over in such way.
Yeah, because school out. How?
School out.
School out, because I say,
Yeah. So, what happened to Chumila? How Baraki
Never one body shame. So I decided I'll be not at my
So, when I as a friend, what were you doing around Polish?
Baking Swiss somehow, some way, because you're not very. Next up, I'm playing about Polish. Because Lena was silly or Polish. So,
So all the drama aids I think was Polish.
Yes.
Alright. So as a friend, who come forward, come support and through that, do you feel you've done enough?
No.
Why?
You would like to survive.
So what's a mental to you? Alright. So do you feel like there is a lot of bullshit?
Yes.
I'm a bad.
Yes.
In girls. I remember today we don't know it. We don't body shame. But today, so when have you been body shamed? But if you find yourself in that situation, how could you deal with it?
I wouldn't mind.
You wouldn't mind?
Yes.
Mustn't take your self-esteem? Never. So you're strong. Why are you strong? So they can be strong.
Yeah. But what's it gonna do?
Pain into it.
Yeah.
So it's a hard time, how did you feel?
I felt bad because I can't say about the position to take one at all.
Yeah. So, come on, like that. You come out what's up. You correct if you need what you need. If you matter, then you can matter. When I was were you dating?
No.
What was the situation?
Show me my back.
Now what? Alright, I told her down. One would you like about Mohan? One you don't go for big guys?
Yeah.
Now you think for my house cavali, Nico, Niano, right? Did you make a medicine of mine? Tell you right. You're right. I can't get told her down again. So, you passed grade 8.
Yes.
You came to grade 9.
Yes.
So, too emotional lunch. Grade 9. No? So, you came to grade 9. Then, Ramona, you post things on social media. The vices and depression and suicidal thoughts. What's happening there?
Female matters.
Female matters.
Yeah.
Or not boyfriend matters?
No.
Oh, now I thought of boyfriend matters. But how are you dealing with it?
No, I'm fine.
So is it true when you were thinking about suicide?
Yeah. I tried to do suicide.
Right, so succeed.
Right?
You still have many things to do in this world. Now I see it. Now change my getting on manufacturers. I mean, I've been accomplished in you. So that's how things in the mountain. I understand. You chose a buyer, change my getting on. And then I was sorry for feeling. So you good right now, so now.
It passed.
I'll do it because you
No, but because
get December.
Yeah.
You never some more.
Yeah.
So
I
what
next stage in our
would you advise depression and suicidal thoughts
like it's kind of like how cause if Uka like how it's really around to do how out of my books here and one because I like it. So
as you're saying, you are good right now.
Yeah.
You no longer think about suicidal thoughts.
Yes.
Okay. It's not right there in the way. It's not right. I don't like it. So how has been 2023 treating you at large? Being a great 9 year.
2023, I think it can increase depression and to take off because life was not giving. No, with born now,
So, do you have trauma?
I think so.
And trauma leads to anger.
Yes.
So, how are you going to deal with that? Now, I would advise you on what do you call that?
Psychotherapy.
Counseling.
Yeah.
Because like you're gonna grow up and have babies, get married someday, and then now also turn into how can you understand? Ito ko na wala mo mistake or nagpapala. Oh, so kukwata kile ha after chumi. Kile wa ata chumi wa. Hauna chumi kile ya bona Tshepo. Hey.
I can pretend.
You can pretend. Yeah,
I just I fix my nose.
You wear a new mask,
Yes.
a hip, then Africa cutting my hands.
Yes.
South Africans, yeah, we're living in a world whereby we must have a wardrobe of faces, masked faces. Then now I have many faces. I have many faces, and I know people who have many faces. And then to know the affect, I go in such a case, because like we're trying to hide, Mara, we still end. You see, it's not any, it's not that thing. It's not now. It's not now. Alright. So I see that you started modeling. When did you start modeling?
This year.
This year.
Yes.
Tell us more about that.
The kitchen is the next screen.
Big screen of
South Africa. Yes.
Right.
So, go top 10.
Right.
Okay. Alright.
Alright.
I didn't make it because I was going through a lot. Every time I cut my steps, I think about what is going on. Oh, I'm not at home right now. What is going on with my mom? I want to say Joan. So yeah, I didn't make it. Maybe next year.
Next year. But you've gained experience.
Yes.
And I'm sure it's not the welcome more already. You want to say so next year, okay.
Yeah.
Does it make you happy?
Yes.
I want to do this. I'm being called for this.
Yes.
Alright, so you're good right now.
Yeah.
I'm not alone in this podcast. I have a co-host. Some of you might not know him, but you will know him as time goes by. The Tabo Man, what do you have for us?
No, couples will take a life.
Are you single? Are you taken? It's complicated. What's going on?
Now I'm single.
Single.
Yes.
Why are you
Single?
single?
Why are you single?
Why?
Yeah. You go Abafana.
Yeah.
Abafana is scared.
Scared.
Scam Abafana. So you say this, you are being single because past experience or
Yes.
was it bad?
Yes.
What happened?
Yo.
Was it the 3 years boyfriend? 3
Yes.
years don't.
Yeah.
Actually, I've heard about that too.
Who told you?
No, I'm someone who knows things behind things. I make the impossible possible. So, listen that the guy Nabila,
Thank
it
you.
was a long distance relationship.
Yes.
So, like the guy Nakhachi,
I think so.
the Shabido Club, right now.
Yeah. I was doing grade 6 or 5.
Yes, grade 6 when I was on them. Zintata High Kuti. This one is strong, so.
Yeah.
So, grade 6.
Grade 6. We broke up at grade 8. So, yeah.
You're right.
Yeah.
Our friends. Alright.
Pandemic.
Pandemic.
Yeah.
So now, how long have you been single?
3 months. Yeah.
So you don't crave the kissing?
Nah.
I love it for you. I love it for you. No more questions?
Yeah.
It's not. Yeah, in my closing, I would like to thank you for coming. I would like to thank you for taking your time and being here. So where do you see yourself in 5 years after matric actually?
Maybe the next Miss South Africa. I don't know.
But you into this modeling thing?
Yes.
Right. You must. What you must go to move there, man. This guy of Temple has no makeup. Well, yeah, you must advertise yourself. That's what you want to take easy. Okay. Well, I wish you good things coming in the future, and may you have good holidays. I mean,
Thank you.
in everything you do, be safe, and don't forget to pray, because prayer helps in most situations. With all that has been said, guys, I'm closing the show. Please subscribe and hit that notification button so that you can be notified when I drop another video.
And don't forget to follow me on TikTok.
On
That girl called Table.
Peace.